This is a meditation of call to action for all beings wanting to restore the balance in humanity. We are asking for protection from our galactic brethren. Let us begin. Let's take a big breath in and out. Breathing in and out. Let us now bring energy down through our crown chakra. Let it spiral down through all your chakras, down through the crown, the third eye, and your throat chakra. As it goes, it's going to be filling these chakras with the much needed energy. Through your heart chakra, solar plexus, the sacral, and your base chakra. As the energy is traveling down from the crown, it's coming from the cosmos, pure unpolarized energy. Let it travel down through your body, down your legs, and from your feet it is like the roots of a tree. Take the roots down to the earth, deep into the earth, and anchor yourself in. This is the grounding that we will require when we go to battle. We're going to embark on the battle of the restoration of the balance in humanity and on Gaia. Keeping the energy flowing now, right down through your body and anchoring into the earth. As you bring the energy down through your crown, clean your energy, clear your aura, disconnect from any cords that no longer serve you at this time, any attachments, no worries, no stresses, let them be gone. And when you feel your energy is clear and you are centered, let's elevate and connect to our higher self. We shall marry ourself and our higher self together. From here, we will join the collective consciousness. Above you, above your crown, is the etheric energies of the cosmos. We're going to elevate and travel peacefully and gently into the cosmos, using the universal life force energy to carry us above. Above you is a platform. The platform is of a very high vibration. It is pure, It is white. You are protected. Enter the platform. From the platform you see a big open room. It is pure pearlized walls. It's a safe place. In this room, Archangel Michael awaits you. Make your way to Archangel Michael. His beautiful big angel with beautiful big white wings. You can see his bright sword as you move towards him, his sword of protection. As you greet Archangel Michael, he gives you a box. This is a personal box for you. You can open the box now. Inside this box is your suit of armor. As you gently take your suit of armor out of this box, it is perfectly suited to you for your needs, whether it be a metal suit or a white flowing gown. This is your journey, so your suit of armor is for you. Inside this box is also a bag that is just for you. You can open the bag now. Inside this bag that Archangel Michael has given you, it has galactic weapons inside the bag. The first weapon is for harmonizing and protecting. It is not unlike a symbol. This weapon is to deflect negative energies coming at you. This is used to transmute negative energy. The next tool is some handcuffs to arrest the maleficent beings and bring them before the galactic courts. The next tool is a little bag of fairy dust. This dust is to spread love to humanity. After every deed we do today, we will need to leave it with love. There are also 2 vials inside this bag. The first vial is truth serum. The second vial is confession serum. The last tool in your bag of weapons is of your choice. Whatever you feel you need, so long as this tool is with love and means no harm. It is purely for deflection, transmutation. But it will be the perfect weapon for you to dismantle the deep state agenda. Lastly, Archangel hands you a piece of paper. On this piece of paper is information of where you are required on earth to do this battle. You could see the words clearly. You know where it is and you know who it is. We must remain benevolent. We must always do this battle with love for humanity. Together now we join the collective. And as you look around you, you can see your brethren in their suit of armour, with their bags of weapons and tools with them. As a collective, we are like the power of one. It is important to stand strong and stand in your power as we move with the celestial army. Freely and gently move to your position now. The position that was on your piece of paper with the information from Archangel Eichel. Move into position. Notice the being, the energy you're required to transmute or disperse. Maybe it's an arrest. Consult your bag of tools. Take the required weapon and step into battle. Always with love, not anger, not fear, but for the love of humanity, for the love of your family, for the love of your well-being, for the love of Gaia. We shall save our planet in a benevolent way. Move with peace in your heart, knowing that what you are doing is for the betterment of mankind. Some of you might be a support role. Some of you, your weapon might be love and hugs. We all have our roles to play, and we know intuitively what they are. I'll leave you for a moment to continue the battle in the cosmos. As we push back the negative energy, we transmute it, disperse it, and give it love. And as we toward the end of the battle, we must put in place the disconnection of the power of the dark side over humanity, the disclosure of the corruption to humanity. Unplug the control factor they have over us. Dismantle the corrupted systems in place. When you feel satisfied that your task is complete, return to the collective consciousness. Whilst we wait for our brethren to return. When all of us have returned, we have feelings of celebration. We feel satisfied. We can feel the bubbling of rejoicing inside of us. Excitement within. We are the galactic warriors, helping to save our planet. We save our people and we save ourselves. We, the Lightworkers, that have always known the truth. And as the collective return to the platform where Archangel Michael resides, we return our armour and we return our weapons, giving great thanks to Archangel Michael and the celestial army for guiding us through the battle of the restoring of balance to humanity. And as we step back to the platform and descend gently to the higher self, clearing our energies, disconnecting all negativity, disconnecting all the stresses of the battle. Disconnecting all negative attachments. Gently descending now into our bodies. Calling our soul back to ourselves. And breathe. Bringing our bodies into rest mode and breathe. As we come back into our body, knowing that we made a difference. Wriggling our toes as we come back. wriggling our fingers, coming back into the here and now, space and time. Namaste.